Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to use Facebook ads to generate leads for a carpet cleaning company or any local business. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this, and there are a couple of things I want to show you inside this video today. First, kind of like behind the scenes and the case study, because we have a campaign running for one of our clients right now. So I want to show you the type of Facebook ads we're using, and you probably can see on the screen we are using the Facebook Messenger ad. So we're showing ads to the relevant people, and those people are able to send us messages to get the service. So that's the type of ads we're running for this company. And then also, after showing you behind the scenes of how this campaign is set up and what type of data we're seeing, I'll show you how to create a similar campaign for your business. And even though this example is for a carpet cleaning company, you can use the same strategy for any local business. All right, now let's jump into this. So here I am logged into the Facebook ad account, and as you can see, here's the campaign that's running. It's active right now, and we launched this a couple of days ago, probably like 5 days ago. And if you look at the data, so we got 4 messages. And then here's we're paying $10 per message. Now, is that good or bad? So to answer that question, it depends on every business is different. So obviously, if you're spending money and then you're gonna make more money back, then it's good. If you're not gonna make more money, more than what you're spending, then it's a bad campaign, right? The way you want to look at your ROI from Facebook ad campaigns is think about the lifetime value of a customer. So for example, for let's say a business like this, the carpet cleaning, let's say a customer spends $100 with us for one-time cleaning, but also the customer maybe stays with us for like 1 year or 2 years, and over the course of 2 years they do our service, or they get our service maybe 10 times. So if you multiply that 10 times 100, that's like $1,000. So the lifetime value of a customer could be $1,000, and we are getting that lead for $10. So that's how that, obviously the number I was using is just an example, but you want to do that kind of math. So look at the cost per lead or cost per result that you're getting, and also look at the lifetime value of a customer for your business, and then based on that you can determine if the Facebook ad campaign is profitable or if you need to make any changes. Now, so for now, obviously we're testing, A/B testing a lot of things, and our goal is going to be to improve this data and actually get pay less per results moving forward. But we're really happy with this. We got 4 messages, 4 leads so far, and then $10 per lead. And then let me log. So this is the campaign. If I go to the ad set level, let's look at the ad set. It's very simple. This business operates in 3 different cities. So all we're doing is just targeting those 3 cities. So let me scroll down and show you. It's right here. So we're targeting Forney, Sunnyvale, and Terrell, Texas. So those are the 3 cities that this business wants to target. So that's our target audience. And also, here's the interesting thing. We're targeting people because obviously people who are interested in the carpet cleaning or tile cleaning. So they're either business owners or they're homeowners. And actually on my channel, I have created separate videos on how do you specifically target homeowners using Facebook ads, and how do you specifically target local business owners with Facebook ads. So I'll link both of those videos below in the description, so make sure you check those out. But that's exactly what we're doing. We're targeting pages, the admins of different pages. For example, restaurant page admin, because the admins of pages, they're likely to be the business owners, right? And also we're targeting by different titles. So titles like owner, founder, director. So those people are likely to be the business owners, right? All right, so let's scroll down. And our budget is for this campaign is $10 per day, which is right here. All right, so you saw how the campaign is set up as a Facebook Messenger ad campaign. Let me actually show that to you again. So if I go to the campaign level, you'll see how the objective is messages. So we want people to click on the ad and send us the message. That's the goal. And then the audience inside the target audience inside the Facebook ad set is very simple. We're targeting 3 cities, and we're also targeting people who are homeowners or business owners. And now let's go inside the ad. So we are A/B testing 4 different types of ads. So first of all, at the ad set level, you see how this is where the budget is set. So here's the budget, $10 per day. not a huge budget, right? For this campaign, we do have other campaigns that we are planning to run. Now let's go back here. So at the ad set level, we have 4 ads running. And if you look at the first 2 are video and the other 2 are images. And what's interesting is if you look at the data, all of our leads came from image ads. So the video ads have not produced any leads so far. So that's really interesting. If we were not A/B testing this, we would not have known that, right? So for this specific campaign, for this client, image ads are outperforming the video ads. I have seen other campaigns where video ads outperform image ads, but for now, image ads are outperforming. So our image number 1 is has produced 3 leads, and image number 2 has produced 1 lead. So that's what's going on. Now, let me actually also show you how the ad is set up. And I like to, for Facebook ads, I like to keep it very simple. So let me show you, since it's for the cleaning company, with your image or with your video that you're using in your ad, make sure the value proposition is very clear. So I'm gonna open this in the Facebook news feed, and you'll see it's very simple. So look at this. So this is the before and this is the after. And then we want people to, if they want, they can call us, or they can click on this and it will send us a message on the page, which is right here. So that's kind of like something I like to do with your image. Show people what's the value that your local business provides. So in this case, before and after. So if you're a cleaning company, you can use before and after. And if you're using the videos, before and after video could be even more powerful. And also, the copy is very simple. So we're telling them exactly what the offer is, and then also making it very easy for them to either call us or send us a message. So that's very, very simple. There's nothing complicated at the ad set level. All right, now let's go back, and that's what's going on with this campaign. So this was the behind the scene data. We are getting leads at $10 per lead or per message right now, and obviously our lifetime value of a customer is a lot more than that. Now, how do you create a Facebook Messenger ad if you wanted to do it for your business? Very simple. Let's go through the steps right now. So obviously the first thing you want to do is click on the create. And when you create Facebook ads, it's a 3-step process. Step number 1 is you create the campaign. Step number 2 is create the ad set, and then step number 3 is the actual ad. So I'll kind of cover at the high level how to do this. So for the Messenger ad, what you want to do is, so look at the under consideration. You want to pick this objective right here, messages. And let's scroll down, and I'll just kind of say test campaign, hit continue. And then at the ad set level, this is where you set your target audience. So if you operate in a certain city, if you operate in certain like zip code, certain countries, so make sure you set all of that up right here. So from destination, it's going to be click to Messenger. That's exactly what we want. And then from your the audience, this is what I would do. So for example, let's say if my business is in Dallas, so I will click on Dallas, Texas. There you go. Let's say 25-mile radius. And now let's say I want to target, obviously it's a B2B space, so I want to target in detail targeting. Let's say I want to target business owners. So I'll just say small business owners. So that's one option, so 100,000 people. But I can also go under browse, and then let's go under demographic. I believe it's under behavior. So behavior, digital activities, and then Facebook page admin. So you're able to target Facebook pages. Let's say if you were targeting the owners or managers in the restaurant industry, you could just select that, right? It's a very, very powerful option. So let's do that. And then also another option is you can also target by title. So for example, if I would target owner, let's see if I'm trying to do, for example, right here, restaurant owner. How cool is that? So job title, so work and then job titles. I can also do CEO, or let's say founder. There you go. So there are different ways of obviously targeting your audience on Facebook with Facebook ads, right? All right, now let's move on placement, I'll leave it to the automatic placement. You can manually place your ads on, let's say you want to run on just on Facebook. You can do that. So you can deselect everything else, audience network and the messenger. Like to sometimes leave it to automatic placement and let Facebook optimize it for me. For optimization, leave it to conversions, conversations, not conversions. And then whatever your daily budget is, if you're just starting out, maybe start with the low budget of $5 or $10 per day, and then hit continue. And then at the ad level, this is where you build your actual ad campaign. And here's the cool thing. You are able to, you can create the ad from scratch using an image or a video, or you can also, let's say you have a post on your Facebook page that's performing really well organically. You can also use that post, click on use existing post, make sure you have the right Facebook page selected. And then when you select the post, you're able to select one of the posts from your Facebook page and use that as a creative for your ad campaign. That's it. It's very, very simple. So this is how you use the Facebook Messenger ads to generate leads for your local business. This example we saw was for a carpet cleaning company, but you can do this for any business, any service that you provide to local businesses. Facebook Messenger ads are very, very powerful, and in my opinion, they're very underutilized. So now is the time to experiment and test with those ads. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you know what to do, right? Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And for questions, leave me a comment below this video. Before you go, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.